First of all, we have to create grid pattern. So click on File, click on New, and here select inches and giving the project width 10 inches and height 10 inches and resolution give 300 pixels, and background content select white and create the project. Now it's time to add grid line here. So before that, we have to enable ruler. So press Ctrl R to enable ruler. Now add a horizontal line in your project center. Also add a vertical line in your project center. Now it's time to add line. So in this left hand menu, you have to select the line tool and click on this option, and here line, make sure to select shape and select fill color and disable stroke. Now you can change your line width. I'm giving 20 pixels. Now we have to draw a vertical line and a horizontal line. And now to make a vertical line perfectly, hold down the shift key and add a line just like so, and do the same thing for horizontal line. Hold down the shift key and draw a horizontal line. Once line added, select the selection tool and you can just remove your rulers, and here we can see a basic grid created. Now we have to make the grid transparent background, and here we can see the background layer. You can simply hide the layer and then your grid background will be transparent. Now it's time to save this pattern. So go to Edit, click on Define Pattern and name the pattern. I'm giving simple grid. Once the pattern created, now you can close this project and that's it. Now it's time to add grid in a different project. So here's created a blank canvas. Now let's import or insert grid. In this left hand menu, I'm selecting the bucket tool, and then here select pattern and click on this pattern drop down, and here you will find all of your created patterns. Select the pattern that you want to add or insert and then click on your project or canvas, and the grid will be added into your canvas just like so. Now you can easily work with this grid, and that's how you can use the created grid pattern in future easily.